Now this is a small video, the small section over there, but still some questions still asked at UGC NET from this section. So how we deadlock detection and recovery. So we have two processes that we already seen here. How we detect the deadlock, by multi-instance or by single instance, because we have two resources, two type of resources there. So detection procedure, if it is multi-instance, though you can say the circular chains is fair enough to say it is deadlock or not. If it is multiple instance, so we can use the safe algorithm or Banker's algorithm that we seen earlier. So in case of the detection, there is a two procedure. In case of the single instance, it is circular chain is enough, and in case of the multiple instance, we use the safety algorithm. And in case of the recovery, see properly, recovery section. In case of the recovery, so we recover the process in two way, by resources or by process. So the question may asked, or question already asked at UGC from this section, that how we recover the deadlock by processes. So there is four option, and one of the option is kill one process or kill all process. So the that is the correct answer. So in case of the recovery, so we recover the deadlock by two way, or by resources or by processes. In case of the resources, there is two way. One is preemptive, another is deadlock. Preemptive means may deadlock is already occurred, and because of the deadlock occurred, what we do, we forcefully preempted a resource from one process and give it to the other process to complete the process and break the deadlock. Again, preemptive means if we recover the deadlock by the process resources, so we can do one thing. If the deadlock occur, we forcefully take one resource from one process and give it to the other process, and to complete the process to break the deadlock. But it is not possible to do by the program or software or system. It can be possible by manually, so it is not more practical. But another process is there to recover the deadlock, which is rollback. That means or deadlock is occurred, the system is rolled back to the safe position again. This is called the rollback process to recovery the deadlock. The simple way, like a DBMS, we roll back to the safe system from the unsafe situation. And by the process, there is a two way. There is a two way by the process by which we recover the deadlock. One is, see here carefully. One is yes. One is kill one process. So how we recover the deadlock by the process? Kill one process or kill all process. So kill one process means very simple, that if the deadlock is to occur, so kill one process from this circle. So circle is break down, and we prevent, we just discussed deduct the deadlock from the system. Maybe the process is within the circle which cause the deadlock, delete this process or kill this process, or maybe one process which is not in the circle, but this process hold a resource which cause a deadlock. So in that case, we also kill this process. Another way to recover the deadlock is kill all the process which makes a circle and cause a deadlock. Kill all the process of the circle and make the system deadlock free. So that is a small section, but sometimes the question asks from this section, so how to recover the deadlock by the resource or by the process.